Hello everyone, welcome back. It is that time of the year again, Christmas makeup tutorial. Today's look is going to be green and gold. If you can probably tell, I am doing a green halo eye with gold and then a sparkly gold lip. If you are interested in seasonal holiday makeup looks, then please subscribe and keep on watching. First up, I'm going to work on the face, and there is just only one step that I actually didn't do today yet, and that is highlighter. And I thought for today's gold look I'm going to be using a gold highlighter. So this of course is from iHeart Revolution. This is the shimmering highlighting powder in pineapple. And of course I just got to show you. I'm going all over with the brush. Ooh, gorgeous. The festive season is the best time to glow. And now for the eyes. Basically, I'm going back into this one that I started at Halloween, so we're kind of going into the product. So this is the NYX Ultimate Paint Eye Paint. This is of course Exist Fabulously. So I'm putting some on my palette here. And going in with a small brush, starting in the inner corner. And then the outer corner. And where we have some real estate, I'm gonna put the gold. And the gold is going to be this gold liquid liner from Trended Up. I'm blending it with the lines. I love that it's a liner applicator because you can be just way more precise with it. I feel like I should put a little bit more green in the corner. Now to make the gold really pop, even more than this, I'm gonna add eyeshadow. This is the Memory Kiss palette, which I gotten at the Asian market, of all places. And I'm going to be placing that gold in the center of the lid, just with my finger. So going in, there it is. And on top of that liner shade. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's exactly what I wanted. A little bit of green under the eyes. And some more of this gold in the inner corner and like underneath. And then underneath the tear duct. I love this so far. And I was kind of thinking about adding a liner, so I brought this one here. This is the L'Oreal Signature Matte, whatever it is called. Yeah, matte signature. But I feel like that would ruin it. So I think only mascara at this point. So L'Oreal Bambi Lash. Yeah, that's just perfect without taking away of the goldy shininess of it. I feel like I want a little bit more gold in the waterline, so let me get a gold pencil. I've got the Maybelline Master Chrome Chromatic. which of course is the perfect gold pencil. So let's put this in the waterline. I mean, it doesn't look so outstanding, but at least we know that it's there. Okay, and now the eyes are done. So lips. I am removing whatever I have on. I'm going in with this L'Oreal liner in 302, which is this cute rosy shade, like rosewood, I guess. And excitingly enough, I have a butter gloss Bling. I'm so excited to see this on. Ooh, gorgeous shine. I'm adding a tiny bit more, because why not? Perfect. Okay everyone, so this is the finished makeup look. The green halo eye with the blingy lippy. I hope you guys like it. I hope you will try it. And then until the next holiday look, bye bye.